Man sentenced after assaulting ex-girlfriend on birthday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A delivery driver was on Friday ordered to pay $100,000 or spend 6 months in prison after pleading guilty to assaulting and threatening his ex-girlfriend. The incident reportedly happened on Tyrone Williams' birthday, on a date the female complainant had treated him to. The accused allegedly hit the female in the face several times and told her, "You can't leave me because me will kill you." When Williams was allowed to speak by the judge, he claimed that the incident occurred because he had taken the woman's phone and she was struggling to get it back from him. The tussle occurred in public and Williams was charged with assault occasioned bodily harm, resulting in his sentence on Friday. For the threats, he was admonished and discharged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.